In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express for education. Whether you're preparing a class presentation, a bulletin board poster, or a printable worksheet, Adobe Express makes design simple and fast, even if you're not a designer. We'll walk through getting in, picking an education-ready template, and customizing it with text, images, icons, and videos so your work looks polished and classroom-ready. First, open Adobe Express in your browser or the app and sign in using your school or personal account. Many schools use single sign-on, so you may be guided through a quick, secure login. If prompted, choose the profile that matches your educational use so you have access to school-appropriate features and content. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. If it's your first time, take a moment to look around. You'll see recent projects, a search bar, and a big button to start something new. Adobe Express auto-saves as you work, which is perfect for busy schedules. For best performance, make sure your internet connection is stable and consider using a modern browser so everything runs smoothly. Next, choose a template designed for education. From the home screen, search for terms like presentation, poster, or worksheet, or browse the education categories. Templates are fully editable starting points, so pick one that fits your learning objective and audience. For younger students, a bold, simple layout can keep attention on the key idea. For older learners, a cleaner, more structured design may work better. Click to preview a template, check the page size and orientation, and then open it to start editing. If you need multiple pages, say a slide deck or multi-page worksheet, duplicate pages to keep your layout consistent across the project. Now, customize. Begin with text. Select any text box to rewrite the content, choose readable fonts, and adjust size, color, and spacing. Use clear headings for structure and keep contrast high so everything is easy to read on screen or in print. Add images by uploading your own or choosing from the built-in libraries. Crop, resize, or frame them to fit your layout. If you're using visuals from the library, look for education-friendly, high-quality images that support the lesson. Insert icons to highlight key points, keep the style consistent, and limit the palette so the page doesn't feel busy. Finally, incorporate short videos where appropriate to demonstrate a concept or provide context. Trim clips and consider adding captions for accessibility. Arrange everything using alignment and spacing tools, leave comfortable margins, and keep the design focused on your learning outcome. And that's it. Open, choose, and customize. With these steps, Adobe Express becomes a reliable partner for engaging classroom materials.